Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have discovered a new passion for bird watching, and this birding field notebook is exactly what I need to keep track of all the birds I see. So I am an absolute beginner at this amazing hobby, but this book has 120 blank individual bird sighting pages for you to write down everything from the date and time and location and weather to the name of the bird, description, behavior. It even has a little spot for sketching. Now, I am not an artist. I am not good enough to sketch the birds I see, so I place a little photograph there, and it's the perfect spot to do that. This book has made my bird watching hobby even more fun because I get to keep a record of everything, and it's small enough and light enough for me to take with me wherever I'm going, so I'm never without it. But if I just want to record my birds when I get home, it's also fun and relaxing to do that too. In the back, there are 6 blank index pages that you can use for totally different list of birds if you want. So there's a lot offered in this small book. I've really enjoyed bird watching for the first time, and now I'm able to keep track in this handy little book all the birds I see, and it really adds to my enjoyment of this hobby. And that is my point of view.